Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. My name is Sayam and welcome back to the channel. Right today, we're gonna solve this very interesting and very simple problem. It is not very difficult to solve. We'll live code this today because I just figured out okay, some simple problem we can live code also because it won't take much time. With that note, let's get started. That you're given an integer array nums of length n. A partition is defined as the index I. It means what? Splitting the array into two non-empty parts. One part is the left part and the other part is the right part. The left subarray is 0 to I and the other subarray is I plus 1 to whatever n minus 1. Return the number of partition where the difference between the sum of the left and the right subarray is even. Okay. So what we want? We want that this is the left part and this is the right part. And we want that the sum, which is the sum part, right minus left part, what you can say that absolute of modulo 2 should be equals to 0. That is the idea. Return the number of partitions and the difference between the sum of the left and the right part uh, so is even. Okay, this is we want. Now, after reading this, what think we got into our mind? Firstly, we go to the constraints. I don't think so. Constraint is matter of a concern because it's a easy problem. The constraints must be easier, but we will solve obviously in an optimal way. How we can solve it in an optimal way? One thing you can go till some I you can go and then another loop you can run from I plus 1 to n minus 1. That approach we won't follow. We'll follow a very good approach and we'll see. And one edge case also is there. We'll try to look that up. Right. So after reading this, the important thing is what we want. We want that this sum. Can we maintain this sum left sum 0 to I? Same. This is very simple. We can just maintain a prefix sum. This is nothing but a prefix sum. Absolutely. This we can easily maintain. But what about this sum? How we can get this sum from this sum? This is the remaining sum. You can say this is the left thing and this is the right thing. Let's try to think about in that direction. Can we get the right from the left? What the hell you are talking about, Sayam? Okay. What the hell we are talking about? How we can get the left part from the right part? Mm, okay, let me just think about it. How we can do that? It is very simple, right? If we somehow know the total sum, can we know about the right from left? Yes, we can. The right is equals to nothing but total minus left. This is the idea. Absolutely, this is the idea. Now we know the right, we know the left. Can we calculate the difference? Absolutely, we can. Absolutely, we can. The difference will be total minus left minus left. I hope you are getting it. This is the right, this is the left, and this is just difference. And then if we just do it total minus 2 into left, and you can do a absolute also. This is the difference we get. Right. This even we have to check. That is the idea. Right. The left we can calculate by calculating from 0 to I, right? You just incrementally add the current number. We can easily do that. And that is the overall idea. We just need to, in one pass, we are able to do it. We are able to do it. Right. That is the idea. Right. Now let's try to think about in that direction. Okay. Now, can we dry run an example to understand it better? Let's try to do that. So what we will do, this is the idea. So I will maintain the left part or you can say the prefix part also. Initially left is 0, right? There is one edge case. We'll try to see can you get that edge case or not. Okay, left is 0, cool. Now what you gonna do? Add the current number to 10. Okay. Now what is our the difference will be which is total minus 2 into left. So right, the total will be 20, 30, 36. 36 minus 2 into left was 36 minus 20. 16 is there. Is it even? Yes, it is even. So we can partition this and this. This is one answer we got. Okay, we move ahead. We got left equals to 20. Now the difference becomes 36 minus 40. because twice of that it becomes again 4. So again the difference is I am talking about the absolute difference. It is again, it is still satisfied. So our counting becomes 2. Cool. Then we go to 23, 23 and 36 minus 46, which is 10 again. So 10 again the difference is even, right? Now we go to ahead 30. Now 36 minus 60, which is again 24. The difference again even. Now you have to think about, if I go ahead also, 36 minus 72, which is 36 itself, which is again even. Answer should be 5, but why the answer is 4 here. Can you think about the logic and can you comment down what is the problem here? I think you have figured it out. Very, very important. Actually, when you took the whole prefix, right? The whole prefix you will take, it will be always even. It will be always even because you are taking the total minus 2 into total. It won't be always even, but it could be 2 into total. What you are doing? We are taking the whole left. But if you try to read the problem statement, don't try to tick all. Don't try to tick all in the left part. That is the edge case we are talking about. So you have to handle this. If you are at the end, if prefix is equals to total, you just have to wait. You cannot make a partition here. So you have to just stop till here itself, and answer is 4. That is the overall idea. I hope you got it. Let us quickly code this problem to understand it very better. So let us quickly code this problem. Okay. So also I am sharing a very good news with you. We are achieved 7,200 tokens. We'll make a video on that also, that how I achieve that. But okay, let's quickly do that. So let us remove this. And yeah, so firstly, how I write the code, it's very simple. I take the size, and since we just take care about the prefix part also, there all numbers are positive, so I can do one thing. I can just maintain the left part, and I don't need to actually need the size. You can remove that because I gonna iterate directly in I in nums. That is a shorthand notation. And then on what I gonna do, I just gonna do a left of I, left plus equals to I. Then if left equals to total, okay, we need a total also. Let us calculate in a separate array. In total equals to 0, and for int I in nums, total plus equals to I. Okay, this is the total we have calculated. Now sorry, we need two passes. So left equals to total, we just break it off because we don't want the complete left part to take the total part. All numbers are positive, so this will work. I hope you're getting. If they are negative, then this logic won't work, right? Otherwise, if absolute of what total minus 2 into left modulo 2 equals to 0, we just do a count plus plus. We haven't defined a count also. Let us define the count as well. So we define the count equals to 0, and I think this is good. We are good. We just need to return the count. I hope you got the logic. What we did, total we calculated. We just calculated the left part, prefix part. We just added continuously, and then this is done. And yes, we handled the edge case also. This was the edge case which you have to handle, and I think it would work. And let's try to see. And indeed does 100%. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video then. Till then, keep learning.